घटना से हमने सीखा कि छोटी बातों का ध्यान रखकर हम कितनी बिजली बचा सकते हैं। अब हम अपनी भट्टी सही तरीके से चलाते हैं, इससे खर्च कम होता है और काम भी अच्छा होता है। थैंक यू IIF।
The Urja Sanchay project has been very valuable for our organization. It has increased awareness about energy conservation and provided practical recommendation that help us improve our operational efficiency and reduce energy consumption. And on behalf of our organization, I sincerely thank IIF for introducing and supporting for Urja Sanchay project. This initiative has helped us identify opportunities for energy conservation and improve our energy efficiency. We truly appreciate IIF's guidance and support in promoting sustainable energy management.
I am Senthil Kumar, Chief Operating Officer from Amrut Foundries. Urja Sanchay project was conducted at our foundry on 27th October 2025 by Mr. Anand Govind Pal. This project aimed at energy conservation. 1 unit saved is 1 unit produced. So the selection, foundry being an energy intensive sector, the selection of Urja Sanchay project is very much appropriate. Based on audit findings, we had implemented many points. We had installed VFD compressors, we had reduced compressed air leakage, and we had replaced LED lights in all areas, and we are closing the ladle with ceramic blankets during metal transfer. Our overall feedback on the Urja Sanchay project is very much positive. On behalf of Amrut Foundries, I thank IIF for supporting this Urja Sanchay project, and this has improved our energy efficiency. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am DG Benakappa, Executive Director of Vijay Technocrats Private Limited. So I would like to talk about Urja Sanchay project conducted by IIF National Council. So on 17th December 2025, our company being audited by Mr. Anant Bam, consultant. So he visited our company, educated our whole melting team. In our company, melting was normally in any foundry, melting is the major contributor for the power consumption. That is why he straight away conducted audit of our 550 kilowatt and 1250 kilowatt medium frequency induction furnace. And good part of it is he straight away interacted with the melting supervisor and the operators, explaining them the need for improving the power consumption of the furnaces. So he straight away interacted with the operators and given lot of information like how to charge, how to maintain the density of the charge, and when melting is not, charging is not happening, the furnace can always be covered with lid to avoid the loss of heat. And also for heat treatment, the SG iron ladle treatment, he advised us to go for direct treatment instead of transferring from one ladle to other ladle. This concept, even though we could not do it at plant 1, we have implemented in plant 4, where SG iron treatment is directly done on the furnace. So this has reduced our power consumption to the great extent for SG iron treatment. As far as knowledge of employees, yes, he has given a lot of inputs to the operators. Thereby, our day by day, our operators are improving the charging methodology, where we could see a lot of improvement in melting units of the furnace. And also he has given study, he has observed our E-control established in for compressors, where compressors operated with the E-control system. So whenever there is a need of compressed air, compressor will operate one by one. In case if there is air requirement, compressor will automatically switch down, seriously they will switch down. So this has really he appreciated by Anand Bam sir also. Other than this, he has observed lot of things like providing providing APFC panel for improving the control PF factor of the electrical furnace. So this we have considered in the next project. APMC panel we are planning to incorporate. So like this, he has given a lot of inputs on the floor, and his interaction with our operators was very meaningful. So this awareness creating on working spot on Gemba will definitely help the organizations to reduce the melting units and save the power to the great extent. We would like to thank IIF for this good work done. At the same time, we request IIF to continue this Urja Sanchay project every year, so that the savings can be integrated. Rather, savings will go multi-fold. So thank you Anand sir, thank you IIF, and also we would like to thank IIF Shimoga chapter also for making this good program a reality. Thank you.